In today's video, I am going to teach you how to insert rows in Excel. Adding a new row in Excel is quick and very useful when you need to make room for more data without disrupting the rest of your worksheet. The key thing to remember is that Excel inserts the new row above the row you select. So if you want the new blank row to appear in a specific spot, you will choose the row directly below that location. To begin, look to the far left side of your worksheet. You will see the gray row numbers running vertically down the screen. These row numbers are what you will use to tell Excel where to insert the new row. Find the row directly below where you want the new row to appear. Then right-click that gray row number. Make sure you are clicking the row number itself, not a cell in the worksheet, because that will give you the correct menu for working with the entire row. After you right-click, a context menu will appear. In that menu, click Insert. As soon as you do that, Excel will add a new blank row above the row you selected. This shifts the existing rows downward and creates space exactly where you need it. This is helpful when you are updating a table, adding another entry, or reorganizing information in the middle of a spreadsheet. If you need to insert more than one row at the same time, Excel makes that easy as well. Go back to the row numbers on the left side, then click and drag down across multiple row numbers to highlight them. The number of rows you highlight is the number of new rows Excel will insert. For example, if you highlight 3 row numbers, Excel will insert 3 new blank rows above the first highlighted row. Once those row numbers are highlighted, right-click anywhere within the highlighted selection and choose Insert from the menu. Excel will immediately add the same number of new rows at once. This can save time when you are preparing a worksheet and know you need extra space for several lines of information. When using this method, take a quick moment to confirm which row is selected before you click Insert. That helps you place the new rows exactly where you want them and avoids having to undo and try again. That covers everything you need to know.